Right. Cue the logo. Yes, sir. Kid. Okay, that's move it. Yes. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo mirrored once again? You've been picking this more than usual. I just like it. Well, why? Because it's so cool. Well, make it regular. You're going to make it regular whether you like it or not. So let's go. Okay. Wow. Well, I'm glad. Now I have to type it because the thing is not even there. Okay. Oh no! Cut. What? Why is it weird? 1 second. Because it's multiple fanfares. No! Not even close to multiple fanfares. Now I'm typing another one. Now. What are you doing typing it so differently? Come on. Please? Please, please. What are you doing? Trying to pick it. Jeez. day, you know. Man, can't believe you've been taking so long. Cut. It's literally 20th Century Fox. But the fanfare is too different. You're so rude. Why?
Hello? Is somebody there? Hello? It's considered rude not to. Considered rude not to. What do you got? Cotton in your ear holes? Get out of here!
Come on. What are you doing? Trying to do what you asked. No, you're not. Okay, there, I got it. What did you just do? A bomb just dropped in here. Oh, no.
You gotta teach me, SpongeBob. Teach me.
Mommy. Ow. What did you do? Whenever you cause multiple fanfares and remakes, you always... It happens. I can't believe you did that. Why would... I can't believe you. Okay, this is your last chance, and that's final. If you don't get it right, you're gonna be fired. Finally. Oh, for crying. This time you're picking the... Thank you so much. Now don't do that. I told you not to pick any more vile logos again. Okay, I'm sorry.